post another car video.
Hit that like button and also subscribe.
And we're back. What are we doing today?
The fuel injectors.
The heck you got? Cheetah girl, cheetah sister.
Oh, wonder where that's from.
Disney?
The shirt.
You mean?
Previous video.
What do you mean?
The previous video where you wore the shirt.
Oh crap! I totally forgot about that. I totally forgot about that. I really did. I really did. That's funny.
Well, I don't wear it on a day-to-day, so I can get dirty now.
I think last someone wore it was me.
I'm pretty sure the last time it was worn was you, yes.
Don't judge me. Watch my video. Anywho, like always, this is an easy one.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot a fuel regulator inside. We'll get that afterwards.
Okay.
What are we doing today? You didn't tell me. You
Fuel
just
injectors, I did say that. I said a fuel injectors.
What are you doing?
Pulling
Just go ahead and do it.
Alright.
Careful, 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 careful. Oh, okay.
Pull. 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 Okay. Okay.
Well, this video should be like literally 2 minutes.
Boop.
So is the other videos, and it's still longer than freaking. Okay. What else? Yours got. You got it.
Here. No, it feels like it's hooked onto something else. Right there.
Okay, we're almost at 2 minutes. This shouldn't be.
Okay, where were
You
you?
gotta lift that up too. You got two hands. You got one here. Stop. Oh my! Hold that here. Hold that here, and then pull. So you can get out of the way. That's fine. That's all you need to do. Just it's not gonna completely come out. That's what you're thinking.
Okay.
Now you get to the bolts. As a 5 socket. No, we don't need extension that long. It's just I just said whatever. That's the first thing I found. And don't lose the screws, please.
Okay.
Like that. No. Oh yeah.
Well, it came out. I couldn't help that one.
Hold on. I'm gonna do it. No, it's not gunshot. Just some dude in BMW. Gun.
Well.
Some dude in BMW always freaking doing that. You know what? I'm gonna just go hold it.
Okay.
Dang, I got dirty. Go ahead. Oh wait, no. The phone. Give me the ratchet for it.
I don't know.
Well, you see that? Be careful. Don't drop it.
Alright.
Okay.
I don't want to pull it out because that's what happened last time. Here we go.
There you go. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it.
Okay.
Okay. Pull it out. Well, you can't pull it fully out, but just pull it out enough to get the injectors off.
Okay. Am I able to do this way?
Best you can, yeah.
Alright. And then am I able to just pull it out?
I don't know. Can you? Oh, there's clips. Look, each one got clips, so be careful. Don't drop those. Don't drop those. Oh, hold on. Nah, I see some stuff happening. Hold on. Okay. You see how it's clipped on? Do one at a time. I'm holding the railing, so you ain't gotta worry about that. The clip. You just see. You didn't see me mess with this over here?
No.
This thing.
Oh! I pushed it. As you were showing me, I pushed it.
Just take one off and see. There you go. And can it be pulled out? It should just be pulled out. There's a gasket, so you gotta.
Well, since this is here, can I
No.
put this here?
Out your stinking mind. It's fine. Don't do that. I don't want the stuff to drop out. Go ahead.
Sorry.
So, no, show the field. Stop it. So that's the injector. That's
I didn't
one.
know that was gonna come out, so.
The fuel line, you didn't know fuel's gonna come out?
Yeah, well, I didn't think about that.
What goes in the fuel line?
Well, should I put the other one in right away so that...
No, it was already whatever. It's feel heavy. Is there stuff in it? What is the difference is? Oh, put your hand behind it like the makeup. There you go.
My dirty glove.
That thing got like 4 holes. I think that one got more than 4 holes. 2. I got all the clips, don't worry guys. 3. Why was there 4 of them? Why is only 4 of them?
Because it's a 4-cylinder?
Oh my gosh, she's learning. Time for the ejectors. I'm gonna put these right here. Watch it for me, guys. 550 cc's. Let's see if it says it on here at all by any chance. No, it just says Volkswagen. Alright. Look at the hole is like 4 holes. Like a bunch of holes. Trying to show the comparison. There you go. You see it?
Yes.
Alright, these came with these little adapter thingies. They put on these adapters because obviously you see that's like rounded and this is squared. Got the squared. Alright. Here. This mechanic. Yeah, like I said, it only goes like one way, so.
Yeah, I can kind of see it.
What are you doing? Just push it in there.
I'm just looking.
See?
Boop. It's in there.
Yeah, see the little tab? Okay. I'm liking this. Not doing nothing and she does all the work. I'm just recording. No wonder you like this job so much.
Oh, glorified assistant.
No wonder you like this job so much.
Alright.
Start putting them back in.
Alright.
Oh, clips. Oh, sorry. I'm not prepared. Ugh.
It's a hard job, isn't it? Multitasking.
No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Ma'am, you just did that? If it's gonna squirt out of here, how you gonna put it in the railing part? You gotta put it into the cylinder part.
Oh, it goes this way?
Yes.
I would have figured that out.
Right.
I would have. Thank you.
How was it clamped?
Back here.
No, I mean like how? Like how was it? Yeah, we figured out. So once you put it in the whole thing, whatever, this little, sorry guys. Once you put it in the little groove right there, that's what that catches on. So go ahead.
Yeah.
We did one. I did one to make sure.
Now that I know.
I've never done on the Jetta. I'm saying that it's weird. The Jetta is so different. Jetta is so different. Always is a different engine, but it's just different. Now tell me the intake manifold. This is like this, but on the Jetta it was like this little thing over the engine, whatever. And then time to get to the spark plugs or the fuel ejectors, you gotta take that off first to get to all that. And I'm honestly happy this is like this, because it's so much freaking easier.
Here we go. Those are in.
Bam, 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 bam.
Awesome.
15 minutes later.
I know.
Hold on, everything in, everything's tight.
Yes.
Bam, bam, bam. Alright, put it back in the hole.
Put it in the hole.
Careful, don't get no grease on it. Just push it in the hole.
I already did the hard work. You can do a little bit of work.
Yes, ma'am.
Hard days of work.
We're not done yet. All right, so we did the fuel injectors. Dang it, fuel injectors. I'm not replacing the fuel filter because I did that like once when I got this car, so that's all right. Yes, your hand's gonna smell like gas. So what are you doing? What is that?
I'm pulling this clip out.
What is this? What are you replacing?
I don't know what it's called.
You just go put stuff in the car, don't know what it is? Fuel regulator.
Fuel regulator.
See, it came with a turbo, so that's why I'm putting it on. Oh, you see that? So what do you do? I
see this. You gotta take this out.
Don't hurt yourself.
I was gonna say, should I use these?
I don't know.
Because it's hard to get out.
Oh, is it?
Am I supposed to? Is that what I'm supposed to do and you just wanted me to figure it out?
It basically just pull it out. If you need to use it, use it. But you basically just pull it out.
Alright.
Ma'am, I'm not trying to trick anything. Kidding me.
Ah.
Sorry, just making sure nothing else is That cracked? What is that? I don't. Oh, that comes out too. See this little thing right here.
My bad.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that. So it's I thought it was double gasket. Like a filter.
I was just about to say, it kind of looks like a filter.
Just use your fingers, lady. Come on, we ain't got time for this. If you really can't do it, then I'll do it. Don't hurt yourself. Let me do it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's the same thing get off of here, right? So.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just gotta push down. There it is.
Ah, you got it. Good job.
I'm crying. There you go.
Yeah.
Is that it? That's it. Fuel injector's on. Oil one out. Fuel regulator. Like I said, it was easy.
Yeah.
This was an easy one.
I was excited.
That's it.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
Don't worry, guys. We're almost getting there. We're almost getting there. We're almost getting there. What's left to do is the exhaust manifold. I gotta find a bolts that fits that. I know it's weird how it is. You'll see what I'm talking about. And the oil catch can, I'm gonna put it on after we start everything up. Because in the cooler, I want to see how it routes and everything. So the manifold, correct? The manifold, and then the intercooler.
That is all.
Oh, and the fuel pump, but it's not like we need it to turn on the car. Oh yeah, finish the oil change. We gotta finish that.
Oh yeah, we'll finish all of that after everything is put
But overall,
on.
parts-wise, that's it.
Everything's put on.
Our journey's coming to an end, or is it coming to a new beginning?
Boom.
Say bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys.